Hi guys, this is gonna be the final product. Hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna zoom in on it for a minute just to let you see how it looks. Then we're gonna go in. Alright, we put the flag here on the tank. Here is the stars. A little bit here.
That won't, no matter where they go. They're off to find the hero of the day. Oh, what if they should fall by some folks wicked way? Till the window burns, not so slowly turns. Someone there is sighing.
See that one too good, but it is there. Right there. Okay. Same thing here. Yeah, I need to cut this little piece, so don't hold that against me. I didn't put nothing here. I'm thinking of putting the 3% logo, you know, the stars in the circle, and the 3%, you know, the origin of this country, our founding fathers. I'm thinking of putting it here, or putting it here, or maybe here. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna find a place for it. Or I'm thinking of taking this and putting it here. Give me guys your thoughts, your input, what do you think, suggestion, and we will go from there. And here is one little stripe as well. Ta-da! Alright guys, see you soon.